with WDW Bound, and today we are going to do another Disney do-it-yourself, Disney at home video. I know the park's just opened, but we're not 100% comfortable going just yet, so we're still trying to bring the magic of Disney to our home. This video is inspired partly because over the weekend I desperately hunted for a ice cream maker because I really want a Dole Whip. So I was fully prepared to get an ice cream maker and the Dole Whip mix off of Amazon, and I had no such luck. So as an alternative, I was like, okay, so what other icy treat do I want to try to recreate? And then I remembered how much we love the shaved ice from the Japan Pavilion in Epcot, so the Kakigori. So that is what I'm going to try to remake today. I had bought just a regular old shaved ice machine. I got it on clearance at Target like a year ago. It was not expensive. I'm pretty sure I paid less than 20 bucks for it. And then it already came with its own syrups. So that's what I'm gonna use. And the thing that we love about the Kakigori is that you can get for an additional cost, I think it's like $1, you can get sweetened condensed milk on top. So that's what we bought. I saw this at the grocery store and I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be fantastic. Little spout. So that's what we're recreating today. So I'm going to attempt to make some shaved ice out of this cheap little machine. So we'll see how it goes. And I'm sure it's not gonna be the same, but if it's close enough, I'm gonna call it a win. So let's get started. All right, so this is the machine that I'm using. It's just, like I said, just a basic little ice maker. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put ice in this reservoir, and then when I snap the lid on, it will shave the ice. And so I'm just gonna put like a little bowl or a cup down here. And then these are my flavors. I think I'm only gonna do these 3, maybe the 2. Because I think cotton candy is gonna taste kind of weird. So we're gonna knock that out. So this is what we're going to try, at least. All right, so I've got some ice. Just put some ice in my cup. It only takes a couple, so I only did a little bit. This is gonna get noisy, so bear with me. Here we go. So there's one cup. What I'm going to attempt to do is do another and then like put them on top like that to get like a pretty cone, because it's gonna melt, so that will collapse. All right, let's see if I make a giant mess. I did. I made a little bit of a mess, but look at how pretty that is. And now I'm going to attempt to decorate this sucker. Sorry. All right. Again, I'm probably gonna make a mess. Bear with me. I'm doing enough. It would probably help if this was cold, but it's not. It'll be okay. what? I'm just gonna do 2 colors. It looks gross, but it tastes really good. So there we go. My attempt at Kakigori. I think I did too much syrup. All right, now it's time for the taste test. That was a lot of sweet cream. Oh yeah. It's obviously, excuse me, not as fine of an ice, but considering I paid like less than 20 bucks for it. But the flavor combinations are very similar. Because you get the sour of the blue raspberry with the sweet of the sweetened condensed milk. Oh yeah, this is good. I highly recommend it. Oh yeah, I would do this again, for sure. Yeah, I dig this. All right, so there you have it. We've just got a regular old, just at-home ice snow cone maker with the flavorings that it came with. I got it on clearance. And then if you add that sweetened condensed milk, I know that it sounds weird, but it is so good. This definitely hits the spot. If you can't be at Disney, if you can't get shaved ice at home, and you wanted to recreate it, this, 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend it. So there you have it. That is our Disney DIY, Disney at home. Took very little time, very little prep, so I like those. So if you like this video, please give us a like and a subscribe. We're still gonna be doing Disney at home videos, so if you have any ideas for things that you wanna see that we wanna try, please leave us a comment, let us know. Is there anything that you have tried? Have you tried this recipe? Let us know in the comments, and then, you know, always hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.